Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to draw some different kinds of fruits and vegetables easily. So first we are making the orange. As you can see, we are starting with the leaves and after that we are making the orange, then we are coloring it. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making strawberries, starting with the main strawberry structure. Then we are also making a baby strawberry by side. Now you can color it as per you want. Next we move ahead. Here we are making a plum, starting with the leaves of this fruit. We are making the fruit and a small bite of fruit from it. As you can see, now you can color it. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a pumpkin, starting with the body of the pumpkin. We will move ahead to its stem and the leaves. Now you can color it with any color. Here we are using yellow color marker for coloring it. After it's done, you can see how beautiful it looks. Next drawing we are making of a piece, starting with the main body structure of this piece. We are making small points as the seed of this piece and also making some seeds on the outside. Now we are making the leaves and you can color it as per you want. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a tulip. As you can see, starting with the structure of the tulip, we are moving ahead to its leaf. Now you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a grapevine, starting with the leaves of the grapevine. We are making the grape circles and after that you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a cucumber plant. Starting with the leaves of this, we are making the cucumber and then after that we are making another cucumber. Then we're gonna make the stems around it. After that we are detailing it a bit more. Then you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a mushroom. As you can see, starting with the baby mushroom, we will move ahead to the big mushroom and giving it a face and mouth. Now you can color it with any color you want. We are using red color sketch pen and yellow and orange color for the small ones. And you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a strawberry. Starting with the upper part of the strawberry, we will complete it with little detailing of the dots and after that you can color it with any color you want. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of some carrots. Starting with the basic structure of the carrots, we will move ahead to some more details. Then you can color it with any color. Next drawing is of a chili plant. Starting with the chilies, we will gonna make the leaves and the stems accordingly. After that you can color it with any color you want and it's done. Thanks for watching.